Hey guys, welcome back to another online banking guide. In today's guide, I'll show you how you can open a bank account in Frost Bank from your mobile device. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device and then in the web address bar type in frostbank.com. And once you're in this website, on the top right side of the screen, you can see an option named open an account. Tap on it. Now scroll down and there you can see accounts such as a personal account, Frost Plus account, and then a Frost Premium account. So choose the account you want to open and then tap on open now. Now they'll redirect you to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then enter your first name, last name, your citizenship, your social security number, your date of birth, occupation, employer, email address. After that, enter your contact information such as your home address and your city. After that, enter your zip code, phone number, and then you'll have to provide your ID. So you can enter your driver's license, military ID, or your state issued ID card. After that, enter the ID number, the state issued date if you want, and finally the expiration date. After you've entered all of these, tap on view and accept. Then tap on continue and you'll have successfully opened a bank account in Frost Bank from your mobile device. So that is how you open a bank account in Frost Bank. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.